91. Get up. Meaning, stand.
Example, you should get up and give the elderly man your seat.
92. Give someone away. Meaning, reveal hidden information about someone.
Example, don't worry, I won't give you away.
93. Give someone away. Meaning, take the bride to the altar.
Example, my father gave me away at my wedding.
94. Give something away. Meaning, ruin a secret.
Example, my little sister gave the surprise party away by accident.
95. Give something away. Meaning, give something to someone for free.
Example, the library was giving away old books on Friday.
96. Give something back. Meaning, return a borrowed item.
Example, I have to give these skates back to Franz before his hockey game.
97. Give in. Meaning, reluctantly stop fighting or arguing.
Example, my boyfriend didn't want to go to the ballet, but he finally gave in.
98. Give something out.
Meaning, give to many people, usually at no cost. Example, they were giving out free perfume samples at the department store.
99. Give something up. Meaning, quit a habit.
Example, I am giving up smoking as of January 1st.
100. Give up. Meaning, stop trying.
Example, my maths homework was too difficult so I gave up.